In the late 18th century, the world was on the cusp of a transformation that would redefine every facet of human life, the Industrial Revolution. It was an era marked by a significant shift from agrarian economies to industrialized ones. At its heart was the rise of machinery, which heralded a new age of production and efficiency. Here's how it all unfolded. In a small workshop in England, James Watt scrutinized the workings of a steam engine. His improvements on existing models, such as the separate condenser, enhanced efficiency and facilitated the proliferation of steam engines across industries. Watt's steam engine became a symbol of the burgeoning industrial age. The textile industry was among the first to embrace mechanization. Before the introduction of machines like the spinning jenny and the water frame, textiles were laboriously produced by hand in homes. These innovations increased production capacity exponentially, leading to the establishment of vast factories and altering the textile landscape forever. As machinery advanced, the demand for stronger materials grew. The refinement of iron production techniques led to the creation of steel, which became the backbone of industrial construction and machinery development. Bridges and railways spanned greater distances, facilitating transportation and fueling economic growth. The steam locomotive emerged as a revolutionary mode of transport. Railroads connected distant cities, which were previously isolated by natural barriers. They not only transported goods but also helped in bringing communities closer, transforming social and economic interactions. With the rise of factories and industrial jobs, people flocked to urban centers seeking employment. Cities expanded rapidly, reflecting the burgeoning industrial might. Blackened skies from factory smokestacks were a testament to progress and the bustling life within these new urban landscapes. While machines revolutionized industry, the human cost could not be ignored. Factory work was grueling, conditions often harsh, and in many cases unsafe. Child labor was rampant, and workers had little recourse against exploitative practices. This led eventually to societal efforts towards labor rights and reforms. The industrial era's demand for trained individuals and problem solvers spurred educational advancements. Universities and research institutions grew, fostering developments that pushed technological boundaries further. The symbiotic relationship between industry and academia became more pronounced. The Industrial Revolution spread beyond Britain, reaching Europe, the United States, and other parts of the world. Each region adopted and adapted machine-based manufacturing, paving the way for global trade. The exchange of goods, ideas, and practices created an interconnected world. The Industrial Revolution was more than a period of technological advancement. It was a turning point that reshaped societies and economies. Machines changed the way humans lived, worked, and interacted, setting the stage for the modern world we know today.